Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question, question 16. Stock exchange is important in agriculture because of the following reasons, except A. It creates employment opportunities. B. It encourages contract farming. C. It makes farming more tasking. And D. It encourages investment in agriculture. Now we are asked to pick an option which is not an importance of stock exchange. But before we pick this option, what is stock exchange? Now stock exchange is also known as, you can also call stock exchange securities exchange. It's also known as securities exchange. Now what is this stock exchange? Now stock exchange is a facility where traders now in the aspect of agriculture can buy and sell securities such as shares of stock or financial instruments. So stock exchange is a facility where traders can buy or farmers can buy and sell securities. Remember, I said that the name for stock exchange is what? Securities exchange. Now I'm going to explain what the securities mean. These securities here simply refers to what? Shares. Like take for instance now, a farmer has a very large farm, but he alone cannot run this farm. What happens? He opened this farm for what? For people to buy shares. Now them coming to buy these shares is what? Is stock exchange. That is, they are buying what? And selling securities. Now the question says, which of these is not an importance of what? Stock exchange in agriculture. Now this stock exchange is actually important in agriculture because one, stock exchange helps to create what? Employment opportunities, which A is talking about. So therefore A is an importance of what? Stock exchange. Stock exchange provides what? Employment opportunities to farmers who do not have the capacity to run a large farm can run this farm by what? Via stock exchange, by engaging the activities of other people who have shares in his farm. Now it creates what? Employment opportunities. B, it encourages contract farming. Yes, stock exchange also encourages contract farming. How? Now when people comes together to share securities among themselves, their farming is secured, and thereby what? They can be a legal document backing their farming. Maybe they want to farm for 2 years or 3 years, and then what? They will go into contract farming, signing a contract pertaining the profits and the loss of this what? Of this agricultural practice. So it encourages what? Contract farming. C says it makes farming more tasking. No, stock exchange do not make farming more tasking. Instead, it makes farming more easy. It makes farming easier. Then D here says it encourages investment in agriculture. Yes, stock exchange encourages investment in agriculture because it allows people who even do not want to practice agriculture to have what? Securities, to have shares in farming, in agriculture. So it encourages what? Investments. Now the question says which all these are what? Are importance except. So now we have to pick the option which is not an importance of stock exchange, and from this you see that what? Option C here is not an importance of stock exchange. So therefore it will be the right answer to this question because it says it makes farming more tasking, which is wrong. So option C is not an importance of stock exchange in agriculture. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.